On the show, Kabir talks to a dog. Soumya becomes a ninja. Kabir gets slapped. Soumya finds out about another Soumya.
Let's go! Let's go!
You're glued on to How To, and we have a very, very important question to ask you today. Do you know what Sunny Day looks like when he's dancing? I bet you're picturing it right now in your head. More importantly, do you know what geofencing is? Those of you who do, very good. Those of you who don't, we send Kabir out on the streets to find out from the Janta what geofencing really is. He asked that question along with some silly ones. Let's take a look.
Hey guys, what's up? Can I ask you a few questions if you don't mind? Arey, come here. Hi. No. Hello. Hi. Arey, idhar aao. What's your name? People just run away, dude. Hi, I'm here.
What is geofencing? I have no idea.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's your name, man?
My name is Tushar.
Tushar. What's your name?
Soumya.
Soumya. What's your name?
Karthik.
What's your name?
I'm Kabir.
Hi, I'm Kabir as well. So yeah. What is geofencing?
What? Pardon?
Geofencing.
No clue.
What? Geo? Fencing?
Do you know what is geofencing?
Nope.
पर अच्छा guess करिए क्या हो सकता है ये?
योगा कह सकते हो, किसी भी टाइप की कह सकते हो.
All right, so we have a gentleman with us who's trying to tell us that geofencing is yoga, probably. क्या आपको मालूम है geofencing क्या है? Hi, what's up? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? I have some lovely ladies around. So Zoya, and your name is?
Soumya.
Soumya. Soumya is my co-host. I hate her.
Well, I love me.
Soumya, what is geofencing?
What is my?
Hey, what is your number? I'll take your number later. I'm saying, what is geofencing?
What is geofencing? So geofencing is this concept where there is an area around your store where if you enter that area, you will get an SMS or you will get like a message from the store. That is what geofencing is.
I have tears in my eyes.
Push notification.
Somebody knows it. Oh my god.
Welcome back, Kabir. We sent you out to do some work on the streets. What did you do? Did you do any work?
I was chatting with some really lovely ladies and I asked people what is geofencing.
Really?
They have no clue what is geofencing.
So basically, no one knew what was geofencing.
Nope.
And I just saw from the footage somebody said that yoga and geofencing.
Yes, according to him, some kind of yoga.
Geofencing and yoga.
Geofencing and yoga, yeah.
How does that work? Did you ask him how does that work?
No, I didn't. But again, there was this lady who knew what is.
Oh, I heard about that when the producers were telling me. So yeah, who was that one lady who knew the right answer? What?
Soumya.
One person who knew.
Okay.
Happens to be Soumya?
Whatever.
Really? Hence proved Soumyas of the world are the smartest.
That's generalizing. Don't generalize. Okay, let's go on with the story.
Basically, before we get into how to geofence, people need to know
What is geofencing? Let's explain it to them.
in the simplest way possible.
Simplest way possible.
Geofence is a concept that combines the technology of global positioning satellite aka GPS with your handheld devices to create a virtual fence on a real geographical location. It uses the user's longitude and latitude to locate.
So for say this is your real geographical location. So say this is you, okay? The sauce bottle.
That's not me, Soumya.
Yeah, it is you. It is you. You're here, okay?
I'm there.
Yeah, and I am creating a virtual fence around you, like so. Over here. Okay? This is it. This is your area. Once you leave the fence, tick, 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 tick.
Wait. It's not gonna be
What?
tick, 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 tick. I
Yes.
don't walk like that. It has to be tuck, 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 tuck. Really manly.
Okay, whatever. So now you walked out from here. Now what's going to happen is that my phone or my email is going to get a text message alert, or I'm going to get an email, whatever I opt in for, and I'm going to know that you have left that location.
Sneaky you!
Now you know how I know that you are late to work.
You can do so much. Okay, let's talk about the conventional uses of
Okay.
geofencing. So
Okay.
let's say, for example, you can geofence your kids.
Your child's routine is home to school and school to home. Set up a geofence around that area. If he or she leaves the fenced area, you'll get a notification on your phone.
That's one
Okay.
conventional use. Second is elderly care.
Grandparents tend to have a set routine. Set the geofence around the usual travel area. In case something worrisome does happen, you will get an instant text.
Your own devices like your iPad or your phone or your car
Yes,
or your...
my favorite
Yeah,
use.
yeah.
You can actually geo-fence your
Yeah.
car when you're
Yeah.
parking it in a mall.
Set a geofence for your car. If your car's got GPS and you've got a phone, set a parameter for your car. That way you can always find it in a parking lot or know if it's stolen or speeding.
Throwing a surprise birthday party. Let's say you are throwing a surprise birthday party for me, and you're at my
long shot,
house,
but okay.
Soumya, and you're at my house,
Okay.
and you want to keep a track whenever I'm in the building.
Yeah.
Right?
So basically, just get so that basically, as soon as you're entering the parameter,
You'll get a
I'm gonna text
message.
you, and everybody can be in their location
Exactly.
and say surprise,
and they can go no,
and
not
then
like
give
this.
you a heart attack.
They can go like surprise. What I have in my hand is an
Yes.
Oppo mobile phone. It's got an inbuilt geofence device.
What I have in my hand is the remote of this phone, and it's connected via Bluetooth, and it's got a predefined fence,
Of 5 meters.
5 meters.
Which we are going to show you
Which we are going to
how
test.
it works.
I put the little device connected via Bluetooth to the phone on my keychain.
I'm gonna move out and we're gonna test the
So
thing.
let's wait for this thing to make some sound.
I left the area and moved out of the preset 5-meter fence. The little device started to beep instantly. It's starting to beep. I double-clicked it and the phone rang instantly telling me where it was.
When you double click it, if your mobile is lost in your house, you
Yeah.
can find it, and it's
Yeah.
the other way around also. Let's say if you've forgotten
Lost
this
the
particular device,
remote, yeah.
you can cute sound.
And you have the
Call
phone.
it.
Buying this phone just to geofence, I think that's a bit expensive way of going about geofencing. There are much cheaper ways. If you already own a smartphone, there are apps in various stores that you can buy, or it's for free as well. And once you install those apps, you can geofence quite easily.
So let's get to the apps.
Yeah.
One is a geofencer, which you can get on Android,
Play.
Google
Yeah.
Play. One is
There's
Locate by My
My
India.
yeah. There is
Find My
yeah,
Friends on
Find-
iOS. Neat app.
Yep.
And you were talking about this
Live
particular app?
360.
Live 360.
Family GPS tracker.
Both parties need to have the same app. Once the app has been downloaded, send a request to follow a friend and vice versa. Set a fence to know when the friend is leaving or arriving at a certain location.
Okay, so we talked about applications, we talked about devices, how you can go about geofencing.
Yep.
But now we're going to talk about the
Future of geofencing.
This is how it happens. Let's say you frequent a particular coffee shop. That coffee shop, in conjunction with a mobile carrier and a specialized agency, has geofenced itself. Once you've entered the geofence, you get notifications from the coffee shop informing you of a special offer and so on. It increases foot traffic for the coffee shop and you get discounts. It's a win-win.
You know, this is pretty huge in the West. They have
Pretty
adopted this on a large scale over there. It is the future. Geofencing is going to come to
But
India
get
very
ready
soon.
for that in India very soon.
Very soon.
Ama. No, man, click on browse. Browse. Why would you click on start?
I
I'm
don't
not-
know
I'm not
why he
scolding
thinks
you.
that the best time to take a call is during our show.
How is that related to my शादी में शादी क्यों नहीं कर रहा? क्या बोल रहे हो यार आप? अरे click on start. Click. You hung up on my mom. Are you serious?
Don't state the obvious. That conversation was not going anywhere, Kabir.
Somehow you hung up on my mom.
Kabir, we are going to teach your mom how to share files that don't fit in a mail.
Mom, if you're listening and watching, it was not me, it was her.
Auntie, say thank you to me.
It was her.
Say thank
You hung up on my mom.
How to transfer files that are big. So there are some conventional methods. What are they, Kabir?
The first one is to compress a file. Use a WinZip or a WinRAR, install it on your computer. Yeah.
They are softwares.
Yeah, there are softwares, of course. What else you will install on the computer?
Next conventional method.
Use WeTransfer. 2 GB of files for free. It's very easy actually. Just go to the file, choose that, send it. The WeTransfer website will send a link to your friend's
Friend.
email ID.
From where
and
your
from
friend
there,
can download
exactly.
it. Okay. But WeTransfer will cost after a while?
Yeah, after 2 GB.
Okay. The third method.
Google Drive. If you have a Gmail account or if you have a Google ID, just log in. It's very easy. Send the file. It's very easy.
Upload your files on Google Drive and then your friend can download it from there.
Exactly.
The last one, which is actually my favorite one, because
Exactly.
of 2 reasons.
2 reasons.
Yes. First, what is it called?
It's called torrents. Yes.
Okay, and my 2 reasons why I like this is because there is no limit, A,
Yeah.
and B, it's free, at least for now, and Maybe I
Forever,
think,
probably.
Yeah, forever probably. And why do we like it? Tell
Because A, you can look really intelligent when you use a torrent. But let me explain you how we use a torrent, right? Like both of you need to have torrents. Like let's say me and Soumya, we're transferring files to each other.
Yeah.
So she needs to have a torrent
Yeah.
installed on her
Yeah.
computer. I need to install it on my computer. For PC, use BuTorrent.
Yes.
For Mac, use Transmission.
Transmissions.
And yes, it's very easy. What you do is you go to the particular file, open up the torrent tracker, go to the particular file,
Yep.
choose it. Choose what?
Choose new torrent.
No, create a new torrent. Yes, that's what you
Create
need
a new
to.
torrent.
And basically, a torrent is nothing but a small file.
Okay.
The file, I mean, the big file is not there. It's more of a pass. It's like a pass to a concert.
Concert, yeah.
So that pass that I have made, I need to give it to Soumya.
Yep.
And if I give
And
that
I'm
pass
gonna-
to Soumya,
and I'm
she
gonna
becomes
use-
cool by going to that concert. But we're talking about the file.
So that little thing, that pass that you're going to send me, I just have to download it from there and I'm done. It's
And
as
use
simple.
it in your BitTorrent tracker.
Yes,
and you
use
get
it in
the
my
file.
BitTorrent tracker. That's simple.
Yes.
That easy.
Yes.
Kabir, why are you so hyper?
Thanks to the coffee before the show.
While I calm down Kabir, we will see you in a bit after the break. Hopefully he'll be much calmer.
There is no Karan on the show, but coffee was there.
After the break.
I'm too